In this video, I will show you how to get your YouTube channel ID. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Your channel ID is a unique identifier code for your channel, so for whatever reason you need this, first thing you're going to want to do is head across to youtube.com, and then what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your icon just up here. Now from here, make sure you're logged into the correct account, the correct channel that you want to get the channel ID for. What you can do is click on switch account and switch to log into the correct account. Now once you've done that, from this menu, what you want to do is come down to the bottom and click onto settings. From your settings in the middle where it says your channel, what you want to do is click onto view advanced settings, and this way you can come to actually see your channel ID. So you can see here we've got our user ID here and we've got our channel ID here. What you can then do is click the blue copy button and use this wherever you need to, just paste that wherever you need to, and that is how to get your YouTube channel ID. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.